Okay, so let's just dig right in and take a look at everything that we've got. I have so much stuff, and I'm going to try to go in somewhat of an order. I've got beauty items, I've got skincare items, I have got lifestyle items. It's a lot. It's a lot, so stick around with me. Okay, let's start off first with my favorite sunscreen that I'm using right now. I did find the CERAVE. It is a hydrating sunscreen, SPF 30. You've seen it in some of my videos. I have this on an auto shipment now that comes once a month from Amazon. This is great. I'll link everything below. Not 100% sure on prices of stuff, so be sure to check below. I want to say it's like $16. Great product for you right there. The next thing I do want to talk about is my LUMIFY eye drops. If you guys have not found the LUMIFY eye drops, as we're aging, I'm 51 now, and I've just noticed my eyes are not quite as bright as they used to be. So I've gotten these. My girlfriend recommended those to me, and I am not without them anymore. Use them in the morning. My eyes stay nice, crisp, white all day. I love that product. That also is from Amazon. Another beauty product that I found recently are these hair clips. These hair clips are great. You can pull your hair back with them to do your makeup, and they do not leave an indentation in your hair. So as I'm trying to go a couple of days longer between washes, but I do need to put some makeup on occasion. Even though I'm isolated and at home with the coronavirus quarantine. I don't have it, but we are being quarantined. I do love these. I do love these. And I'll link them below. The other, I guess a beauty product, but it's for your feet. I do have a video that I will link up above of how to heal dry, cracked heels. And it's foolproof. I want to say guarantee, but I don't know what I'd guarantee it with. But here are the products, and I do get them from Amazon. Well, at least I get 2 of the 3 from Amazon. Go ahead now and buy yourself a baby foot. I paid $25 for this. I think I ordered it 2 days ago, 3 days ago. Amazon's taken a little bit longer to shop, to get our deliveries to us, but fantastic product. And since most all of us are sheltering at home, this is a great time to get your feet ready for summer, because we are going to get past this and we're going to get out of our houses. So why not go ahead and have your feet ready? So start with the baby foot. This is the mask gel booties that you put on your feet after you take a hot bath. Then, well, there's a video. I'll let you watch that video because it's got everything on there. But you can get this from Amazon. Then, after your feet have peeled from the baby foot, you'll need to get you from Amazon. Let me make sure you can see that. This is ATRAC-TAIN cream, superior moisturizing cream with 10% urea and 4% AHA. It is by Coloplast, and I will link it below so you can take a look at it. This product is amazing. I use it. These gel booties, this is what I use. This product, these are the, I actually bought these at Bed Bath & Beyond, but there are tons of them on Amazon, and I'll link it below. But these products, it has a little gel coating inside the heel, and so it just slips over your foot. So your heel is right there. So at night, you put the cream on, put these gel booties on, sleep in them. Your feet will be so like a baby's butt. I'm telling you, it is wonderful. Start with the baby foot and then use this 3 to 5 nights a week. It will change your feet, I promise. Watch the video for all the details on exactly how to do it, but changed our lives right there. So that product was absolutely wonderful. Okay. I do have a few little techie things that I actually got. I did buy myself a new, this is a cell phone holder just to sit on my desk. I needed one just when I'm FaceTiming. I can have it and it'll look at me, or I can just have it sitting. So I really loved that. It really didn't cost very much. I had to pick up a new little small tabletop iPhone stand. We've been doing a lot of lives for our trio that I sing with, our band, and I broke it. And so I broke the other one, so I did just have to purchase a new one of those, and that came in handy. Then my close techie friend, this just came today, I have no idea why. I had to buy it, but when you have that techie friend that says, this is on sale, you need to get it, just buy it, promise me. And I trust him enough that I did. So he said we needed a smart Wi-Fi garage door opener. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm sure he'll tell me. Glad I got it. Okay, so that came in today. Another product, these no slip, no show socks came in today. I got a pair. It had 3 pair in it. They were very inexpensive. Cannot wait to try. They have got great grip on the back. I love these, and I had them in black. I didn't have them in this nude color, so I'm very excited to get my hands on those. Also, we picked up a shaver, fabric shaver. This thing has been my children's favorite product. I use, if your leggings peel up, if your sweaters get the little peels in them or whatnot, you can revive clothing just like that with one of these little shavers. I bought the Conair version. It has been, not only has it really helped a lot of our clothes, but it's kind of been something that we've enjoyed having simply because it gives us something else to do. So that's a great gadget to have in your arsenal to protect your clothing. This is a facial steamer, and the girls and I have really enjoyed it because it you can just put the water in here and then you close it. It did come in and it was broken, and I probably should send it back, but under the circumstances I was like, you know, it's still working, so I'm okay. But I will link some other brands of this. It was not very expensive at all, but it still works perfectly fine. And we steam our face with it, and what it does is that opens up our pores so that my skincare products will absorb better. And the girls actually have been using it, my teenage girls have been using it along with, it's kind of gross, but it works. It is a blackhead sucker. Is that what we say? Blackhead sucker? Blackhead sucker outer. The girls have been enjoying this, so we've been using the steamer and the blackhead sucker outer while we've been on our isolation and in quarantine here at home. I will say you want to be careful with this because they tried to use it on their dad, and for a while their dad looked like he had a hickey on the side of his face. It was really humorous for all of us. We kind of laughed about it, but they were trying to get some of the blackheads here, and it just dragged down here. And when it did, it left, I'm just going to tell you, it was a hickey, and it was that long, and it was that wide down his face. So needless to say, my husband will never allow the girls next to them with this area. They've not had any problem if they just stay around the edges of the nose, the top of the nose, down to the chin. They've had no problems with hickeys in those areas. However, you want to be careful on some sensitive areas of your face because it can leave, ouch, that left a mark. Okay, I did pick up, it just came in today, water. I've told you a little bit, I am having some breakouts and some problems with my skin, and I think it's the lack of water that I'm drinking. I'm not allowed to go to the gym any longer because our gym's closed, and so I'm exercising outside. I used to get a lot of water during my gym time, but this is a great bottle of water. It comes in 2 different sizes. This is the 64 ounce. It also came in 128 ounce, but it tells you how much you fill it up in the morning, and it tells you where you should be during the day, all the way from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you make sure that you get your water in during the day. So I'm going to be filling that up shortly. I did. A lot of my friends are are going to be very excited that I purchased this next product. This next product is a gadget for your posture. It is a posture corrector, and all my friends always get on to me because I kind of sit hump-shouldered a lot. I don't hold my shoulders up like I should. Sometimes I see myself on lives where we're singing and I'm sitting there humped over and I'm like, they really are serious. So I found this shoulder gadget, and this goes around your shoulders and it just makes you hold your shoulders up. I can wear it underneath my clothes, or I guess you could put it on top of your clothes if you want to, but it just reminds you and it trains these muscles to hold your shoulders up. So I've been trying to wear this for about 2 to 3 hours at least a day while we're at home on quarantine, just to help myself with my posture, because I don't want to be, you know, all hump-shouldered as I age. So that's been a really good thing, and I knew I needed it. How many felt or velvet? I think they're called velvet hangers. Got another 100 of these on the way, and this time I think I bought I like the nude, but I think I got hot pink or something this time. So velvet hangers, I'll link it below. Fantastic. These are great. Nothing slips off of them. They're very, very thin. The girls and I, we love these hangers. Something that I did not know that I needed. You may not know that you need this either, but this was a fantastic, when it came in, the girls were like, why do we have that? Have y'all used the drying rack? This, ta-da, looks like I'm in jail. Drying rack. It is a plastic rack that sits right over your sink so that you can, when you wash dishes or something that you don't want to go in the dishwasher, you lay it and it fits over the sink and you can dry things on it. It's great. It's heavy. It's durable. It's made out of like a silicone plastic, and it just rolls up and can be put away. So I loved that. Didn't know I was going to love that as much as I did, but I do. Okay. Okay. Let's talk about a little bit of jewelry organization that I did. I bought 2 of these jewelry holders. Kind of big. I'll link it below with the pricing, or put the pricing out beside. These are great. I decided that I needed a better jewelry organization, and while I was in it, so these are drawers that you can open. Oh, can I balance it? That you can open and close, and this I guess is a 6 drawer because these 2 are smaller, but it is actually 6 different drawers, and I've got them sitting on top of this thing in my dressing room so that I can see my jewelry in there. I have one for silver and I have one for gold, and so I bought 2 of those, and I so far very pleased with that. Very pleased with it. This is a look-alike of the Chanel bracelet that everybody is loving. I want to say this was $14. It was crazy, and I thought that is really pretty. I loved the clasp on it. If I can get, I say I love the clasp. The clasp was really, really easy, and I love things that are easy to get off and on. So I loved that, and I'll link it below. Don't know if it'll still be available or not. You know, it's, I guess, a dupe for the Chanel bracelet. But for $14, you can't beat that. So I did love that. All right, I do. Oh, I have one more thing. Have y'all seen these yet? Okay, amazing. I'm a candle lover. Love my candles. And this is a candle lighter that can bend to go down in the candle, but it uses a USB to charge, and you turn it on, and basically, I guess I have to go, you turn it, oh, okay, you turn it on. I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see in the middle right there. That's how you light it. You light your wick with your candle. And so when it goes out, you just put I guess it's a lightning charge. I think it works the same. Maybe it comes with its own USB charger. So easy. I am so glad that I found that and picked that up, because we go through those big, lighter, the long ones, and all of a sudden when you need it for something, you know, it's out of the fluid that it needs. This, you just recharge it a little bit and it's back on. So that is my Amazon haul for today. I have had so much fun. I'm kind of embarrassed to say I have done a lot of Amazon shopping over the last couple of weeks, but it's been a lot of fun, and it's been some great products that I'm so glad that I found. I want to thank all the other YouTubers that have been putting out their Amazon hauls. And if you would, please click the links below. I am an Amazon associate, and so I will get a slight little bit of a commission when you do that and you buy the product from me underneath. But if you don't mind, I would love that. Okay, that's all for our Amazon haul today. Appreciate y'all being here. Hope you're staying safe, staying sane, and we'll see you at our next video. Please come back, subscribe, click the bell, because you know what? We're just getting started.